Hello,
Good
everyone.
evening to
Welcome
everyone. Samahan niyo ako,
to
magluluto
my
na naman
vlog,
ako ng
Helen and Family.
pasta na naman. Ito ang gihiwa ko. I'm cutting the garlic and the onion for pasta.
Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.
Rosy sauce, pasta with chicken. This is garlic, and I cut already the tomato, a lot of tomato. This creamy pink sauce pasta with chicken. The onion, only one onion, and garlic I use 4 cloves of garlics. Maliit lang tong kutsilyo, matalim. Yung malalaki hindi matalim eh. Just 2 tablespoons of oil. Lagay ko lang itong sibuyas. Put the onion. Tablespoon of oil. Now, I'm going to add the tomato. I cut the tomato small cubes. Luto na yung kamatis, tapos yung sabaw niya masyado malapot at pakunti na, dagdagan niya na lang ng tubig. At saka para mamula-mula, ma-pink-pink, dagdagan nyo ng, kung meron kayo tomato sauce o tomato paste, pwede rin. Depende sa luto nyo. Kung marami kayo lulutuin, dagdagan nyo yung sauce. Kung naluto na yung kamatis na, konti lang ng sabaw. Pero kailangan nito, mahina lang yung apoy. For the sauce. Now, I'm going to cut the chicken. 5 chicken breasts. Sana po subscribe nyo ang channel ko. Sino man makapanood nitong mga video ko. Seasoning. I put 1 teaspoon salt. Chicken, black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon. Haluin ko siya. Natuluan ko ng lemon para manulong yung lansa. Ngayon, lagyan ko na ng oil. Yun na to the pan. This is high heat. Natin. Oh, bagra. Tama na siya. Yan na, brown na siya yung chicken ko. Look. Give it cream. All-purpose cream. All-purpose cream. Or cooking cream. Now, I'm going to put the 4 cup of or 1 tablespoon of chopped basil, fresh basil, seasoning, salt for seasoning, and black pepper again, just for seasoning. A cup of parmesan cheese, 1,000 grams pasta. Oh, I'm going to add the chicken. Mix, mix, mix. That's it. My finished product of rosy pasta sauce with chicken. It's yummy, right? Mga subscriber ko, viewers, please help me subscribe and like my channel, my video, please. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye, everyone. See you on next video
Like,
again.
share, subscribe.
Bye bye.
Watching, thank you for